Buyelekhaya Dalindyebo to have his bail conditions extended continues in the Mthatha High Court. We take a look at some of the proceedings that took place a little earlier. The court began to a confusing start with King Dalindyebo's initial legal counsel withdrawing from the case. Once the logistics were resolved, advocate Nazim Omar, representing the king, fired the first salvo, and he accused the justice system of treating the king unfairly. Omar is arguing for the first case to be retried. Meanwhile, the National Prosecuting Authority says that it's investigating the origin of a bogus document which it says sets aside all convictions against the abaThembu king. The MPA's Luxolo Tiali says that they received the document yesterday from the king's camp.
We can't deny the right which is given to you by law.
But whatever decision this court must take must have a legal basis. Not so.
My lady,
whether it's going to be considered by another court or not, the question is there any legal basis for a consideration? This court must decide on that. You've been hammering on this point. Any other submissions to make?
I beg pardon, my lady?
Any other submissions to make, rather than repeating yourself?
All right, so those were images at proceedings that were taking place at the Mthatha High Court a little bit earlier on. Let's go back to the court and see just how far they've come. There was an adjournment a little bit earlier on, and as you can see, people are still waiting for the judge.